Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The best temperature for steaks is 450 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. Put your steaks on the grill, close the lid, and set your timer for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the thickness of your steak. Refer to our grill guide for more accurate times.
Let's help you make your mark.
When you cook with the grill open, you'll more effectively get a crispy, perfect Maillard reaction caramelization on the outside of the meat without overcooking the center. So, they can hold up to the heat chamber the lid creates, and in fact, the lid will help thicker cuts of meat or vegetables cook more evenly. 22 May 2017.
Take our lead.
Sear and finish in the oven. Cook both sides of the steak in the cast iron pan until well browned. Use an instant read thermometer to get the right temperature for your steaks. See notes for steak doneness. Place half a tablespoon of butter on each steak and cook uncovered in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. 6 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.